Hello, alright, so I'm going to show y'all how to make the dragon and unicorn paper plate craft today. So we've got all our pieces, and I've already colored them just to make it a little easier. And I colored my plate because that's going to be the sky. So in reality, you're only going to pick either the unicorn and the rainbow or the dragon and the castle, but I'm going to show y'all kind of how to make them both. So, you're going to get your castle or your rainbow, and you fold on these little tabs. And put your glue on there. And then y'all can put it wherever y'all want, but for my purpose, I'm gonna stick them in the middle, back to back, so y'all can kind of see both sides. Alright, and they're a little wonky, but it's okay. Alright, so then you'll take your cotton balls, and these are going to be clouds. And just stick some glue down. Put your fluffy clouds on there. And y'all can do a better job fluffing up than I did.
And they get everything they need to do this in the kit?
Yes, ma'am. Oh. Alright, now here comes the tricky part. So you're going to bend this piece and then wrap this part around your finger and then bend it at the top again. So you kind of make like a little spring with two flat bits. So I'm going to go ahead and do both, one for my dragon and one for my unicorn. Alright, then you're going to put a line of glue on the back of your unicorn, and you put your little pipe cleaner there. If you have tape, you can use tape. They stick much better. But we just have glue, so we're going to use that. And I'm going to go ahead and do my dragon too. And then put a line of glue on your plate. Oh no! And stick your unicorn on. And then you will also glue down your unicorn, glue the other side of the stem down to the plate. And just so you can see the other side, do the same for your dragon, if you're going to do the dragon.
That's a cute dragon.
Oh no, he fell. And you might have to adjust. And there you go. And they're boiny.
Yay!
Dragon's kind of falling.
He looks good.
There you go.
Yay!
And that's how you do your week 2 craft.